Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Cars Outside on guitar. Start by mastering the four-core open chords: G major, C major, E minor, and D major. These form the backbone of Cars Outside. Practice transitioning between them slowly at first, ensuring each chord rings out clearly. A simple down-down-up-up-down-up strumming pattern will get you started, helping you build a solid rhythmic foundation for the entire song. The primary strumming pattern for Cars Outside is a consistent down-down-up-up-down-up. Pay close attention to accenting the second and fourth beats in each measure. This creates the song's characteristic driving rhythm. Practicing with a metronome set to around 100 beats per minute will significantly improve your timing and ensure a tight, professional sound. Cars Outside follows a clear verse-chorus structure, making it easy to follow. To truly bring the song to life, vary your strumming dynamics. Play softer during the verses and build intensity for the choruses. The bridge section introduces a subtle change in feel, so listen closely for those nuances to make your performance more expressive and engaging. Consistent practice is key. Dedicate at least 15 minutes each day to working on Cars Outside to solidify your chord changes and strumming. Regularly listening to the original recording will help you internalize the song's nuances and feel. For a more immersive experience, try playing along with a backing track. It's a fantastic way to prepare for performing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.